Hello everyone, we have here exponential equation 9 to the power of m minus 4 to the power of n equals 17. And we're going to solve for the value of m and n. And before we start, for those new to my channel, I would appreciate it if you can hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much. And now let's start solving. If you notice, there's the first two terms on the left side of the equation are perfect squares. The base, I mean to say. Alright, so let's start solving. 9 to the power of m minus 4 to the power of n equals 17. So we have here 9 and 4 are perfect squares. So 9 can be written as 3 squared to the power of m minus 2 squared to the power of n equals 17. And this can be written the same way also as 3 to the power of m is squared minus 2 to the power of n is squared equals 17. And if you notice, these two terms on the left are the difference of the squares. So we had that special factor that is from the formula a plus b times a minus b, that is equal to a squared minus b squared. So we'll be using this formula to transform this equation. And we have here the value of a as 3 to the power of m, and value of b is equal to 2 to the power of n. So we'll be substituting these values into these special factors. So the equation now becomes a plus b, that is 3 to the power of m, plus b is 2 to the power of n, times a is 3 to the power of m, minus b is 2 to the power of n, is equal to 17. And if you notice, these two factors right here, these are both odd. So these are both odd factors. And since you got minus sign right here, that means this side is smaller than this side. So this one right here is greater than this one right here, this factor right here. Since these both are odd factors, so we get the factor of 17, which are both odd also. So factors of 17 are 1 and 17, or 17 and 1. And from here, since if you notice this is greater than this factor right here, that means you are equating the greater factor with 17, and the smaller factor will be equated to 1. Alright, so the equation now becomes 3 to the power of m plus 2 to the power of n equals 17. The other side, 3 to the power of m minus 2 to the power of n equals the smaller factor as 1. And if you notice, these two equations right here, if we add them up, we can get the value of m, and then subsequently we substitute the value to any of these two equations to get the value of n. So from here, 3 to the m minus 2 to the power of n equals 1. So in here, we're just adding it up. So we ended up canceling this part right here. So this means we add 3 to the power m. So that's 2 times 3 to the power m equals 17 plus 1 is 18. Divide both sides with 2. So 3 to the power of m is equal to 9. And in here, 9 can be written the same way as 3 squared. From here, 3 to the power m is equal to 3 squared. So we have that comparison, that is a raised to b equals a raised to c. b equals c. So we have the same base. So now the exponent must be the same. So m equals 2. So that's our answer. And from here, substitute this value of m to the previous equation from earlier. So from 3 to the power of m minus 2 to the power of n equals 1. We substitute this value of m to this equation. So we have 3 to the power m is 2 minus 2 to the power n equals 1. Simplifying this equation, 3 squared equals 1 plus 2 to the power of n. And in here, transposing 1 to the other side, 3 squared minus 1 equals 2 to the power of n. 3 squared is 9 minus 1 is 8 is equal to 2 to the power of n. And now we switch the terms. 2 to the power of n equals 8 can be written the same way as 2 cubed. And 2 cubed is equal to 8. So 2 to the power of n is equal to 2 cubed. And we are now here again once again. So we have here a to the b is equal to a to the c. Base are the same, therefore we can equate the exponent. B equals to c. So same base, now therefore n is equal to 3. So that is our final answer. From here we can verify our answer if it's correct or wrong. So we have to substitute this value of n and m to the original equation. Make sure, and so we have to check our answer. Now we're checking our answer. Original equation, 9 to the power of m minus 4 to the power m equals 17. And we have here the value of the first term, 9 to the power m, where m is 2, minus 4 to the power of n is 3, and is this equal to 17. So we have here now 9 squared is 81, minus 4 cubed is 64. So is this equal to 17? 81 minus 64 is 17. So 17 equals to 17. So we have just confirmed our answer is correct. We have just confirmed our solution is correct. M is 2, N is 3. All right. And so that's all for now. And for those new to my channel and for those who have not subscribed to my channel yet, I would appreciate it if you can hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next one. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.